What's good, guys? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Hisense AX3120G. This soundbar deserves your attention. It's 3.12 channel soundbar with Dolby Atmos wireless subwoofer. The maximum audio power output is 360 watts. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. This soundbar is with HDMI, DTS, Dolby Atmos, Bluetooth connection, optical cable, and HDMI. Let's check this stuff out and see what is inside. I hope this will help you to make informed choice. This is the subwoofer. Nice. Like the packaging. Brilliant. Here we go. See what it looks like. Brilliant. Nice. This is very slim and sleek. Brilliant. Look at that. So, and see what it looks like. So you got front metal grill in front of it. On top here is cloth, black clothing, and also got plastic here. And at the back is plastic. And the ports, auxiliary, optical, USB, HDMI, and HDMI in, HDMI out. Now the power cable goes in here. This is the information pack. Optical cable, HDMI, battery is in here, and screw, remote, power cable. This is the subwoofer here. Brilliant. This is the front. The front is metal. So this is the battery and the screw, okay, and part of the wall mount stuff. Remote control. Nice. 2 power cables. One is for the soundbar, the other one is for the subwoofer, and HDMI and optical cable. This is what is in here. This is the soundbar here, information pack, HDMI cable, optical cable, 2 power cables. One is for the soundbar, one is for the subwoofer, remote control, AAA battery, screws, and part of the wall mount. We're going to measure this soundbar. This end to here is 92 centimeter. You can call it length. And this is 9 centimeter width, and this angle is 6 centimeter. This angle, and the subwoofer from this end to this end is 22 centimeter. From the front to the back is 30 centimeter. From the bottom to the top height 30 centimeter. Total speakers 7. 2 up firing built into the soundbar, left, right, front channel, center channel, left and right overhead. Dolby Atmos DTS, whether you are gaming, watching your favorite movie or show, listening to a new track, Dolby Atmos enhance the entertainment you love. Wireless music streaming. Stream music via Bluetooth. Connect your smart device and listen to music. To set this up, what you need to do is take this cable, go at the back of your soundbar, plug it in where it's written AC in, push it inside, plug it to the power, take this cable, you can see the light showing us eARC. Now take this cable, go to the back of your subwoofer and push this inside to AC in. Switch it off and on from here, okay, or reset it from this button here, and plug it onto the socket. And you can see the light showing us blue light. Okay, once it's connected, it will be a steady blue light. And now you can see it is steady, so it linked up. Steady blue light is linked up with the soundbar. Now the next thing to do is take the battery, go to the remote control, so take the negative to the negative end and positive to the positive end. This soundbar, you can also control it from the top. So there is a button here for you to control it. This first one is switch it on and off. The next one is input. You see minus is for you to decrease the volume, and plus is for you to increase the volume. So guys, what I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV via optical cable. Optical cable is included in the packaging. So what you need to do is unplug the soundbar, take your optical cable. I'm using my own optical cable, but optical cable and HDMI cable are included in the packaging. So if you take your optical cable, then you go at the back port where it's written optical. So push the cable inside and it's in. Now we need to take this back of the end of the cable, we need to take the other end of the cable to the TV. So go to the back of your TV where it's written digital audio, optical digital audio, and it's in. So go to the back of your TV where it's written digital, optical digital audio. So push the cable in, put the cable inside it. Now plug the TV on. Plug the soundbar and the subwoofer to the power. Now the next thing you need to do, you need to select the input to optical OPT. So use the input to select OPT optical. Now the next thing to do is you need to switch the TV on. Okay, and this is the TV audio. Okay, what we need to do is you need to go to your TV settings. Go to your TV settings. Okay, go to your TV settings, scroll down to the sound. And you can see it's showing us TV, sound out, TV speaker. You need to select on it. Scroll to the side to optical out device. Select on it. And this is now connected. And when it's in optical, what you need to do is you need to use the soundbar remote control to increase the volume. But when you check here is optical out device, I'm going to move this from here, okay, so that I can increase the volume for you. This is the audio.
That are going to give us a display in spring.
Definitely. So spring's only 51 days away. We've obviously had really sort of sub-zero.
And when it's in optical, then you increase the volume using the soundbar remote control.
We're not getting frost so much.
Real angst about the constitutional situation preventing effect.
% off your first box.
It's your last chance to save up to 30% on hundreds of made-to-measure blinds and curtains at Blinds to Go. And that's on top of our always low prices. January sale ends Wednesday.
So from this remote control, you switch this soundbar on and off. This button here is input. You select optical, auxi, USB, HDMI from this button, and this is Bluetooth. This button here is surround, and this button here is preset. It will show you equal. Use equal to select music, game, news, sports, and it is night, AI, movie, music. So use equal to select this. Up and down, you see volume plus and volume minus is for you to increase the volume and decrease the volume. The side button, if you are listening to music, then for you to go forward to the next track or go backwards to the next track. The center one is pause and play. This button here is increase the bars. The maximum bars is +5. Okay, the minimum bars is minus 5. So the maximum is +5. And also the center one is treble. The maximum one is +5. The minimum treble is -5. Then this button here is dimmer. You select minus, you won't see the information here. If you select plus, okay, if you want to the information back, then you need to press plus for you to see the information from the dimmer. And this button here is mute. This button here is mute. The center one is pause and play. So guys, this is how to connect this to your TV via optical cable. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you.